Hello, Mrs. Fluffy. How are you doing, my girl? You got the good spot, hey? Hello. Hello, Mrs. Fluffy. What's all that squawking on over there? Got a whole pack of cuties. Mr. Fluffy. Mr. Fluffy. Mr. Stinky Bear. He's not happy with me. Little stroppy little stomper. Hey kitty. I can hear some naughty sounds behind me. I can hear some naughty sounds. Stampy. Stampy buddy, what do you think you're doing? You're attempting to commit a crime? Are you? I believe you've already received many nuts, my friend. Yes, I see that little angry look on your face, that you've already had a lot of snacks. Boy. You're worried he might fly off with it. My nuts. My nuts. Go on, give it a go. Stampy has started doing footsies with me. It's very exciting. Haven't you, mate? You gonna do it? You gonna do it? He's shy all of a sudden. I can highly recommend watching cockatoos instead of going to school. Just kidding. Get your education. What are you doing? You're putting your little bum into the little fountain. Hey, that was a silent squeaky. Can you do a little bit better? Little Hi, Robin. Worth staying up for, I reckon. This one's the little strutter in my last reel. HR strutting stuff. Who else have we got here? Little kitty. Coco. Stumpy Claw. Hello, Stumpy Claw. Little bat. Thank you. Stampy. Mr. Wishes he was in charge. Mr. Fluffington. Mr. Actually in charge. Mrs. Fluffy. The Queen. Hello. Ooh. I got myself a Mr. Fluffs. Are we friends now, are we? Hey, now that I've got nuts in my hand. Is that right? Is that what you're saying? Is it? I just nose pooped you. I have to clean my lens, buddy. It's filthy. Look at that. How am I going to clean my lens? Give me just a second. Let's see if that's any better. That's a little bit better, isn't it, Mr. Fluffs? What's happened? You got anything to say? You're just staring at me. What if I take the lid off this jar right here? Well done. Oh, Mrs. Fluffy's jealous. Mrs. Fluffy's jealous. There you go. Another one for Mr. Fluffs. Ooh, look at him go. Multiple nuts. Mrs. Fluffy. There you go. Better give some to everybody else. Oh. Stumpy Claw, you deserve some nuts. I guess you can have one or two, but you've already had some. Just take it easy. This little kid over here, I'm not sure if you're all that keen on sticking your face in the jar. Let's find out. Oh, no problem whatsoever. Just going to pop the lid down there. Coco gets a few. How many's Coco got? Just the two? Mrs. Fluffy. Wonder what happens in a Mrs. Fluffs versus Coco scenario. Mrs. Fluffs is the winner. I hear lorikeets. Hello, Snubby and Shaggy. Hello, Coco. Oh, that's the only one without a name. In this little... Oh! Uh-oh. Got a Mrs. Fluffs on the shoulder and she has not filed her claws in quite some time. Missy? You got claws, my love? Yeah. I don't care how cute your little squeaks are. There you go. Now everybody that's on my live, I hope you've seen that I'm doing a giveaway of my last calendar. Hop onto my profile and do the old like and comment and follow thingamabob to secure your chance to win a calendar featuring on the cover Mrs. Fluffington and Mr. Fluffington, who's for some silly reason gone up over there. What are you doing, buddy? This is your balcony. I'm getting it absolutely covered in almond crumbs. Aren't I, Mrs. Fluffs? Hey, you're covering me in almond crumbs, aren't you? She's like, I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, I reckon she's right-footed. One of the few. She's a special lady. I reckon they've heard something. Oh! Something happening. Everybody gone. Maybe. There they are. Anybody coming straight back? Up over there, up over there. Whee! Bit of aerobatics going on. Coming on back. Hello. Was that yet another false alarm? It's the screamer clock here. You gonna give us some more headbangs? Who's this? Hey, little Chuggy. Is that Coco? Is that little Miss Coco? Whoa. Adjust your volume, folks. Whoa, that's a loud one. That's a loud one, Coco. Hey, sweetie. You're gonna break my phone. Hey, you're gonna smash all my windows. Here comes somebody else. Stampy. Got you. These two are a couple. Aren't ya? Willing to stick around for all the nuts? Oh, thank you, Stampy. For that deposit. Half a fluffy. Look at your little tops, mate. He's like, not trying to be cute here, love. Trying to be terrifying. Would appreciate you playing along. Stampy in the front, Coco in the back. Parents to Frankie and Beans, and last year Micro Screen. Stampy pretending to be an alpha male. And your mate. But you're a big softie. You're a big softie. I'm working on footsies with Stampy at the moment. Oh, success. Literally just since the other day. Hey, been trying to get you to do footsies for years. Coco's still a work in progress. She won't even have a drink. Won't even have a drink. You two want a nut or what? Is that a no? And that was a yes. Gotta tend to those wing pits. Nut jar has been abandoned over here. Very dangerous decision to make. Put that there. Put the lid on and put it on the ground. Mr. Stampy, you want this nut? Yes. And Coco wants it. Coco, you have that one. Stampy, you got to give me a footsie first. There you go. Success. Wait. Enough of your thievery, miss. Mind you, you've had way less nuts than Stampy today, so... Sorry, mate. She would have nicked it off you anyway. Where did the Fluffingtons go? Hey, you scared them away. So I reckon they got frightened off by some kind of alarm call. Is that right, Coco? Is that right? These two decided that the nuts were worth the risk. Given it tends to be a false alarm, I reckon they're on the money. Yeah. Maybe I can get Stampy back on my knee. Stampy! Come on! What time is it there? It's 5 p.m. on Tuesday. Go, 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 go! Somebody flying up over there and squawking. Looks like there's a headwind. They're not really going anywhere. Anyone got captions for what the birds are saying? I reckon it starts with an ah. Going on, Stamps? What's going on? What's going on? Coco's got an itch. Yeah. Come on, Stampy. No biting. Give me the foot. Give me that foot. This one here. Stampy's a bit distracted, I think. Hey, my little chickens. Love the head bobs. If she was announcing happy hour, I would be inundated. Inundated. Just want to give your little fluffy belly a pat with no beaks. No beaks. I'm brave, but I'm also fast. Ooh, I can hear someone on the horizon. They're gonna come here, Coco? Not fair, burbs. They'll take the free snacks, but they don't give me any loving in response. They are a couple, yes. Seen them bring 3 babies here. Ooh. Hello, Pidge. Hanky Pank has decided to join the party. Triple burb trouble. You can still hear some cockatoo squawks in the background. Hello, Hanky Panky. Hey, buddy. You're looking very handsome today. And every day, with or without the tail. How many of them know their names? I don't know how many of them know their names, but I have names for about 60 of them. Last time I counted. Hey, Hank. Hanky Spanky. What kind of dove is Hanky? Hank is a crested pigeon. It's an Australian native pigeon. Very handsome boy. When the sun's out, you can see his iridescent green and purple feathers. Oh, Coco. Coco's had enough of Hanky getting any kind of attention. It is my turn and I want nuts. Isn't that right, Coco? Maybe a drinky is in order. I'm thinking this water is the fittest. Watch, Coco will not have a drink. Doesn't want anything to do with it. What about you, Stampy? Excusez-moi. Wait. You want a drink or what? He's like, now is not the time, girlfriend. Now is not the time for drinky. Do I ever get common pigeon? Yes, I had one here actually just as this live started, but then it skedaddled off. I don't really let them hang around because I don't really want them hanging around. Do I ever get galahs? I've only seen galahs around here like once a couple of years ago. Who's that? Hello? Hello there. You gonna come down? Very tricky camera angle to capture. Camera angle to capture. Hello in Germany. Oh, 2 friends. Who have we got? Who have we got? You, this is the one that's in my last reel. And Trixie. Trixie. What are we going to call that guy? Hey. Who does a good supermodel strut? And look who's here. Trixie's sidekick, Olive. Hello, Olive. You two are inseparable. It's just too cute. So if you've been following my stories, you would have seen me point out that Trixie and Olive are always together lately. Aren't you, Olive? Can't get a footsie out of you yet. So this is Olive. She's got a slightly hooked beak and kind of drowsy looking eyes. And a cute foot. Hello, beautiful. Excuse me. We've got a vandal over here. Don't believe this jar of nuts belongs to you, my love. Trix has come down for the party. Mister. Breaking into the nut jar. Yes, Trix, you can have another one. What a scallywag. Little stinker. Little stinker, hey? Everybody thinks you're a stinker now, Stampy. And they are correct. 100% correct. Total rat bag. Little vandal. Little woolly. Cute all the same. The almond bandit. Aren't ya? Little almond. And you're trying to do it again. Yeah. Latest graduate from the Honky Academy for Criminals. Exactly. Trixie's like, why didn't I think of doing that? Hey Trix, you would eat all the nuts if I would let you. Oh, heard something again. Up we go. Hiya Trix. You gonna let me sit down? Hey, can you move over? I want to sit there. I want to sit there. Beep beep. Beep beep. Why don't you get on my knee? Because Stampy's there. Stampy's a whisper. Come on, Trix. That's my girl. Quickly. Before Stampy attacks. Trixie and Olive could be a same-sex couple. They wouldn't be the first either. Hey, we've got Ugburb and Beaky. I reckon they're both boys. Hello. You like sitting there, don't you? Got a short arm because I've got the almond jar tucked under there. Stampy, little shit. Trixie. You gonna be nice to me, Trix? Probably not. There you go, love. Jumping the queue gets you nowhere, Stampy. Nowhere. Hey. Oh. Well, that backfired. Right, Trix, you can have a couple more. Couple more for the Trixie. Are corellas related to the sulphur-crested cockatoos? Well, they're both parrots. They're both a cockatoo. So they are kind of related species, I guess. Hello, Olive. I don't know why I love Olive so much, but I do. Not particularly friendly to me. I just love her face. Stampy. Stampy. Coco's like, why aren't I getting it in on any of this action? Would have stopped at that. There you go, Coco. Alright, I reckon everybody has had plenty of nuts. Plenty. Stampy's trying to secure the second perch. Even though he could just sit next to Coco. Come on, mate. You gonna come sit with Coco? Come on. Oh, Trixie's thinking about it. I've just stacked it a bit. There you go, love. Quickly. Don't bugger around, Olive. Alright. That is it, my friends. I reckon you would all overindulge if given half the chance. Hanky's on crumb duty. If Stampy will let him. Stampy's seeing if there's anything else to vandalise. He looks a little bit defeated. But he knows I've got the almond jar behind me. I'm watching you, mate. Yeah, you put it over there. Get those crumbs, Hanky. Do I ever feed them wild bird seed? Most wild bird seeds have either sunflower seeds in there, which I don't want to give to them, or heaps of peanuts, or just like they've got one or two good things with a handful of Wait, other junk in there. So, not really. Pat the head or rub the belly. Shall we try? It's about as close to the head as I can get with Coco. Rub the belly. Oh. Honestly, guys, she's just going to bite me. Just going to bite me. Here comes Trix. Come on, Trix. Come on, Trix. Oh, somebody's squawking. Somebody's squawking. I can see them over there. What are those guys doing? What are they doing? I don't know. A little shy. Hello, Trixie. Hello. Hey, my little body girl. Trixie's so little. She's a little girl. Hello. Hello. Look how quiet they all are. Everybody's gone quiet, Olive. Why? Why is everybody quiet? Olive's constantly on the cusp of just like pouncing and biting me. Aren't you, love? I'm gentle. Be nice to me. She frozen. Until I try to touch her, then she's bitey. Then she's bitey. Got you. What do you think of my manicure, hey? Hey, Olive? She's like, I would bite that if given half a chance. Bite it. Trixie wants in on the action. Olive. What up, Trix? Hey, my little lady. I'm not in the mood for footsies today. You always try to bite me. Always try to bite me. How about Stampy? Good night, number one jewelry maker. It's my other hand you gotta watch, buddy. You're gonna give me that foot? Yeah, we've been practicing. This one here? No? Goes. Definitely some tension in the air. Olive's got a stunned mullet face on. Olive, what's going on? What's going on, lovey? Stampy's gone for a swim now. Ooh, that was a good one. Is that it, Stampy? Do they come into my house ever? Yes, they do. If I leave the door open, they sneak in. And sometimes I invite them in under certain circumstances. Santi snuck in just before. But don't really let him in, he's a little bit hot. A little bit hot-headed. Do I have any pet birds? No. Never had a pet bird. Actually, no, that's a lie. When I was really small, my family had a pet budgie. But I can't remember. I wasn't really involved. Don't even remember what it was called. Oh, and we had a pet magpie briefly. It was a rescue bird. It's called Pecky. I was pretty young then as well. But I have had other pets, haven't I, Olive? Not for a long time though. Kookaburra just flew overhead. The expressions are hilarious today. Olive. What is going on with you, Olive? Hey, wakey wakey. Wakey wakey. Are you in a little food coma? Hey, little food coma. Have a good day at work, Saggy Maimon. Oh, she's got me. She's got me. You're vicious, Olive. Vicious girly. She's like, no, I'm not. It's called sarcasm, Olive. Come on. Although she does look ready to hiss. What's going on with you, Olive? I love playing with her. She's quite gentle. You want a drinky, love? No? No? What can you do? Yeah, I knew it. Come on. What about tricks? Drinky for the tricks? No. No drinky for tricks. No drinky for Olive. Coco's like, come on. I've never had a drinky from you. Never had one. Never done it. What about this little friend? You look thirsty. You look like a thirsty boy. There you go. Can I ID bird calls in the background? Well, I have before, but I think I just got lucky. Like I recognised Grumpy Stumps, I thought, and then he rocked up. And I was like, I knew it. But then there's been other times where I've been like, that sounds like Grumpy Stumps, and then some other bird will rock up. So, come on. I can hear someone trying to get into the nut jar behind me. Trying to get into the nut jar. You're just trying to distract me. I knew it. I knew it, little missy. That's Mercy. I was going to sit there. I was going to sit there. Hey, first you steal my nuts. Now you steal my seat. Anyone would think that you own the place, Olive. Do you? You going to pay my bills? No one accepts cockatoo poo-poos as currency. Nobody. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Costs money to clean them up. Don't look so bewildered. No, it doesn't seem fair. Maybe you should start a little destruction company, hey? You could dismantle wooden structures with this thing here, hey? The pliers attached to your face. Hankey's cleaning up the crumbs in the background there. Got ourselves a Trixie right up in my face. I think she's got like one expression, and the expression is unimpressed. I think what we call it in the industry, Olive, is RBF. Hey? Got a resting bitch face, and that's why I love you. Don't worry, my love, I've got one too. Trixie just pulled my hair. Hey, there's my phone. They're just children. Cute children. And hey, resting bird face. Hey there. Trixie's rejected the tea towel. No tea towel, no phone. Just nuts. Hate to break it to you, Trix, but the tea towel's back. It's back. No, it ain't, she says. Olive wasn't impressed by that, by the way, Trix. Hey, she's your girlfriend. Oh, yeah. Try that again. Trixie. Get out of here, Mr. Tea Towel. Bye-bye. 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 I don't know why you say goodbye. I say hello. Hello, hello. What do you reckon? Does she win this round? Nope. Trixie. Olive still stunned. Oh. Where'd Trixie go? Hey, was it game over? Game over. She did win. Trixie won. She knew when to call it a day. It's going down, Olive. I think Trixie versus Tea Towel would go all day as well. She's a persistent little lady. Likes to get what she wants. Olive's still like, ooh. Ooh. That was my old lady getting up sound. Hope you liked it. Oof, stood up too fast, didn't I, Trix? Here she comes, she's gonna bite my arm. So much sass, Trix. Yeah. Never mind that you're like the smallest of the girlies. Hey, you're like the same size as Coco. Wouldn't trust you for a second. When I first met Trixie, she let me give her scritches. Hey, I think you were in Olive mode. Just a little bit of a deer in headlights. And now, totally over that phase. Now she's in 100% sass phase at all times. Little sassy lassie. They're all sasses, to be quite honest with you. Little sassy toddlers. I reckon 1 or 2 more nuts each, hey, Trix? Trix is like, I am on board with that suggestion. What do you know? Stampy's back. Hey! No having arguments on my bare knee, please. Whoopsie. Coco, hello. Coco does the old trick where she makes me hold the nut and then she thinks she can get the next one, but she's wrong because Olive got it. Crumb for you. end for you lot. I'm going to get 2 more nuts out because there's one more cookie. One more cookie. Not you lot. Come on, Coco, off you get. Hello, there you are. That's the end, Coco. That's the end. Coco, you going to bring me some of your babies this year? Hey, do I get to see your babies? You going to have any? Or are you taking a year off for some Coco time? I've been working hard the last couple of years. Hey, bringing me cuties, little Screamingtons. Little Screamos. Don't know if these two have got any babies in the pipeline. You got any babies? Pretty sure I got to see Trixie getting down to business with one of the boys at least over the breeding season. Hey Trix, is that right? Olive, I'm not so sure. Hickey. Oi! Don't you pull on my dress, Missy. Missy Moo. Alright folks, it's time for me to go. Just a reminder to get your entries in for the last calendar. Lucky last calendar. Coco's babies are in it, Frankie and Beans. Hankey's in it. How many nuts would they eat if there was endless nuts? I don't know. Never let them get into that situation. I've had a couple of break-ins and they haven't eaten all of them, so that's a good sign. Alrighty folks, have yourselves a good Tuesday. I will see you again next time. Thank you for the badges from Love by Birdie, Avasaurus Rex, Bird Lady 30, Apollo Dua Lipa and Mario Kinez Art. Thanks guys. Hope you have a top day. Hey Trix, anything to add? No. Keep your tea towels hanging up. Yeah. Alrighty folks, ciao.